Green Trends is something, as I mentioned, it's very close to our hearts because it has started in 2013 with an initiative that we want to ensure that we leave the mountains in a better place than we found it, because we know that we've kind of lost hopes from the cities. Like, what do I say? Nuances has just destroyed our planet in a way. People at India Hikes feel that we still have certain hope left for the mountains. What did you find here?
Coils.
Ooh, damn. That wave?
That's right.
Oh my god. This is the most dangerous thing on this trek. We just randomly started picking up waste from a campsite and we realized the magnitude of the problem. Like, you know what? In our country, trekking as a sport has become, it has grown exponentially. Do you agree? Yeah. Like, a lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of trekking organizations, a lot of dhabas have come up with the remotest places of our country. Yeah? But with that comes a massive problem as a human society, and that is waste. Like, back in the cities where you're coming from, you have proper municipal corporation, right, to take care of your waste. Yeah? But here in the mountains, there's no exit that lies here. Yeah? All that you bring here, all that the people bring here stays here. So we have these G6 principles where we focus on. G6 mein we ensure that we consume less water, we consume less energy, we ensure that we carry our own backpack and very less weight is gone on the mules, because again mules create a lot of carbon footprint. We ensure that our toilets are eco-friendly and bio toilets, that's what we call them. We ensure that in the next 6 months nobody should know that a human was existing right here. So when we leave the campsite, we ensure that there's no speck of any human trace there. Again, we ensure that we camp a little away from the main water stream so that we don't pollute it. So many signs the environment is already giving us, but we are like very reluctant to change. We call it the Zero Waste Village program, where we target 5 houses in 1 month and we ensure that these houses learn the art of segregation at source. We believe that if you segregate the waste, then there's no waste. So we wanted to educate people more and more. So that's why we started with this another core project for students in schools, different small schools. And I believe that we should catch these kids at a very young age, catch them young and teach them the right values, because their parents didn't know about environmental challenges, climate change or anything of those sorts. But these are the future of our country and I see hope in them, and that's why we are trying to focus on them a little and ensure that they spread this message across to the GTA Nice City. That's a thing that we've made up, and it's called Green Trails Agreement, where we take a pledge that when we go back to the cities, there's one thing that we're going to do differently in the cities. So whatever this trek has helped them inspire a little, in whatever ways, they take it back with them to the cities, and that is where it ends for us. We want to ensure that our trekkers who come on the trek are more aware about the problem. Firstly, that's why the briefing was so precise. We want them to understand and want them to trek the right way possible. Like, ऊपर जाके पहाड़ चढ़ के नीचे तो कोई भी आ जाएगा, but how to do it the right way and more responsibly. Don't take it as an obligation, take it as a responsibility on changing and bringing that big change. And when you are in the outdoors, I think they come with an open mind. They're so well connected to nature. They want to do and give back to the mountains. When we are at the trek, we give them eco bags. Like this is eco bag. We want to usually give everyone has this around their waist. And whenever we have this, we ensure that कुछ भी कचरा कूड़ा is found on the trail, जो कि बहुत common है in the villages around. So we pick them and put them in this particular thing. And we collect it as much as we can. We find some hot spots. We collect a lot of waste. भर जाता है जब तक we reach the camp every day. And once we reach the camp, we all sit together. कचरा कूड़ा नीचे रख के we segregate the waste in 4 different categories. Number 1 is recyclables, non-recyclables, landfill and Tetra Pak. Recyclables go to different units for recycling. Non-recyclables are soft plastics basically, which I told you about. We make bottle bricks out of it. Landfill is the waste which you can't do anything about, like cloth, जला हुआ कपड़ा या फिर कुछ भी लोग जला देते कभी-कभी, टूटी हुई कांच. Nobody takes it for recycling. So that goes in landfill. 4th one is Tetra Pak. Basically Tetra Pak, as you know, it has so many layers, it's hard to segregate. So that goes separately. So these are the 4 categories we focus on. Segregating the waste and cleaning up most of the trails, trash, and especially near the dhabas, in Oli especially, you find a lot of trash because it's too touristy. People just dump all of their mess there, and that's our favorite spot technically, and we love doing it and we'll enjoy doing it because we take it as a responsibility and not as an obligation. At least not pro. That is the basic I want them to do, not throw on a trek because it's not your place, it's so fragile.